This is our lesson number 29 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. Today we are learning about the quartz family. Again, this is part 2. In this channel, we are learning all the details with English medium. Here, major varieties of quartz we learned earlier. Rutilated quartz, preciolite, like these are the 15 varieties we have to understand. I discussed this earlier, so I don't talk about that now. Please subscribe and press the bell icon and give like and share to send this message to our youth. And I need all the youth have to finish this and join to gem industry to improve our economy in our country. Right. Here, this is the cover photo. Here, this is blue quartz. I think it is special for you. We will discuss inside the lesson. This is lesson number 29. And this is Ammetrine. This is tourmalinated quartz. Inside the quartz, there are tourmaline crystals, crystal inclusions. So these are very popular in Germans inside Europe. They like these quartz. Now, this is part 2. We are moving to the lesson. This is Milky quartz, the number 7. 1 to 6 we learn in part 1. From 7 to others, we are moving in this part 2. Milky quartz. What is milky quartz? Milky means inside like milk. The crystal shapes, you can understand it is quartz. All milky quartz. After cutting, it is like this. Little bit dull. Milky quartz is the white, translucent, not transparent. Translucent to opaque variety of quartz. Translucent and opaque, I think you know the meanings. Milky quartz is the white, translucent to opaque variety of quartz. Though very common in nature, it is not used as a gemstone. It is not used as a gemstone. Number 8 is rutilated quartz. Inside these quartz stones, there are rutile fiber. See here. All are rutile fiber. See. Inside the quartz, rutile fiber is there. See the natural crystal. See. So it is little bit beautiful. It is like hair-like inclusions. Those are rutile inclusions. Colorless quartz with golden yellow rutile inclusions. Here you can see the golden yellow color and the brown color also. Colorless quartz with golden yellow rutile inclusions as hair-like growths within the gemstone are known as rutilated quartz. European people, they like. Number 9, it is Ammetrine. Ammetrine. Ammetrine means amethyst and citrine joined gem. Amethyst and citrine. Amethyst purple, citrine is yellow. Both colors are mixed. Look at this. This side is amethyst, citrine color. Look at here. It is giving beautiful color. Ammetrine. These are called Ammetrine. These are Ammetrine graphs. This is amethyst. Ammetrine graph. Ammetrine is an interesting color zone combination of purple. Amethyst and brownish purple, amethyst and brownish yellow citrine. Purple amethyst and brownish yellow citrine are the combination in Ammetrine. A rare multicolored variety of quartz with purple and yellow highlights, essentially a combination of amethyst and citrine in a single stone. That is called Ammetrine. It is beautiful because of the color mixing. Here, it is Adventurine quartz. These are the Adventurine quartz roughs. See, all are Adventurine quartz. Opaque, you know the meaning. Compact quartz. Another name for that is chalcedony. Containing a small mica, hematite, or goethite scales which cause a glistening effect. Aventuring is most often green, but may also be other colors such as gray, orange, and brown. That is aventuring. Opaque variety, translucent or opaque variety. Tourmalinated quartz. Inside this quartz, there are tourmaline crystal, tourmaline hair-like inclusions included. See the rough? Those hair-like inclusions are tourmaline inside the quartz. See, tumbled stones, tumbled stones, rough stones after tumbling. So these are very beautiful. So we need to find out and cut like this because the European people like these gemstones. Tourmalinated quartz. Quartz with splintery tourmaline inclusions. Colorless quartz with tourmaline inclusions often has thin, lone black crystals. Thin, lone black crystals is known as tourmalinated quartz. That is tourmalinated. Look at the stones. We decorated with these stones in our cover photo also. It is tourmalinated quartz. This is very special one. Blue quartz. In the cover photo also you saw this. Blue quartz crystal. This is not natural one. We are using rock crystal, white color rock crystal, and we can create this under the irradiation. We use irradiation to make this blue color. Like topaz. Topaz, white topaz also we use to irradiate to make London blue and Swiss blue topaz. We can discuss after the topaz lesson. Here blue quartz. The blue variety of quartz which is uncommon in nature is seldom used as a gemstone. It is seldom used as a gemstone. It used like a gemstone. Most blue quartz is clear rock crystal irradiated with gold to form a deep sky blue color. This irradiation needs gold metal. So most blue quartz is clear rock crystal irradiated with gold to form a deep sky blue color. Blue quartz may also refer to a dull grayish blue quartz in massive form with prosidolite inclusions. These are the prosidolite inclusions rich blue quartz. Massive forms. So it is new to you, blue quartz. Number 13 is cat's eye quartz. The cat's eye effect comes to the quartz also. Then cat's eye quartz is quartz with dense, tiny rutile inclusions that cause a cat's eye effect. You know the cat's eye effect we learn under the lesson 2, L2. It is not common. And the chatoyant effect is usually weak. In this stone, chatoyant effect is usually weak. In the cat's eye, isoberyl cat's eyes, that chatoyant effect is very sharp. Cat's eye quartz is usually grayish in color and translucent. These are grayish in color and stringly due to rutile inclusions. The string is weak. Look at this. Cat's eye quartz. The brown, red, and yellow mixed type is called taigai. Brown, red, and yellow mixed type is called taigai. This is taigai. The bluish one is hawk's eye. Bluish one is hawk's eye. The other one, this one, yellow mixed type is taigai. Look, see the difference between the taigai and the hawk's eye. Here, taigai. Hawk's eye. Look at the stones, hawk's eye. See how beautiful. Taigai. The diamond is there. Created as a jewelry, like apple. It is mixed jewelry, necklace, quartz cat's eye jewelry. So all are tiger's eye and hawk's eye. Then we can use these for tourist industry. Tourists are buying those necklaces and jewelry. They like this because of this chatoyant effect and the colors. Look at this here. Agate, these are agate. Jasper, look at this. Carvings, jasper carvings. Onyx, onyx. All are onyx. This penguin also, onyx. This side, left side, I use onyx. The middle is the agate. All are quartz family stones. This is jasper. Now we can discuss the treatments. Quartz treatments. Certain colorful quartz types not found in nature are produced through irradiation. Certain colorful quartz types not found in nature are produced through irradiation. One is blue quartz. Some forms of quartz with a multicolored rainbow effect are synthetically treated to produce their color effect using film deposition. The method is called film deposition. So some forms of quartz with the multicolored rainbow effect are synthetically treated to produce their color effect using film deposition. So it is very famous mystic topaz we are discussing under the topaz lesson. Film deposition is the method they are using these kind of colorful stones. The process involves bonding an extremely thin metallic film layer over the top of the gemstone so that the interesting color effect are reflected from the crown. That is the way. Those are the treatments. Some vividly colorful forms of quartz are synthetic grown using the hydrothermal method. Using the hydrothermal method can use synthetic quartz with colorful, vividly colorful forms. So all other treatments we are using in quartz. Please subscribe, like, and share. Join us, learn, and enrich your future. We will meet with spinel in the next lesson number 30. Lesson number 30 is spinel. We are starting spinel series. Very important. You can subscribe and press the bell icon. Please give like, share, and comment. We will meet on next lesson.